Yeah, so it says here that after use, store the bottle in its pouch and keep it away from heat and humidity. So this is the pouch that comes with it. And yeah, here's my personalized birthday perfume, Miss Dior Parfum. I really love this. I have the stick of this, the new one, the mini Miss Dior Parfum. So yeah, I need to have this one. This is the bottle, guys. It's so pretty. This is an 80 ml bottle. Lovely. So yeah, this is not in order. When I chose the letter, I chose Escape BP. So yeah, and I need to change it. Can I just put it here? I need to change the order. Okay. So it's there. It's there. So it's like 10 pounds each, guys. These letters, 10 pounds each. So this personalized thing, this is 30 pounds on top of the price of the perfume. How much is the perfume? So it's 140, I think. 140, and I paid 170 for this because this is 30 pounds. Okay, so I got to get, see how they put it. I need to put it back like that. Okay, I need to change. Look, guys, I pulled it and it's like that. So the thing is still there. Okay, so yeah, we'll arrange the letters according to my name. I think it's nice, guys, as a pendant for my necklace. So, no, it won't shoot. But yeah, it's so cutie. I can't see it much because I'm just looking on the camera. Okay. Okay, then I guess pull it back. Whew, that's additional job for me. But yeah, it's so cutie, guys. Lovely. Look, guys. They said that after use, store it in its bag and don't spray the bowl. Yeah, so that's how you're gonna keep your perfume. What I purchased from Dior is this parfum and the hair mist, and then the rest are all freebies. I really love the bag. I thought gonna be like a plastic or silicone, but no, it's a cloth. Yeah, really nice. And yeah, loads of freebies. Love it.